Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see what is user interface. In the last video I have been said what is Almighty App Inventor and how to use it and how to test your app lively. And first of all what is user interface? It is the main area where we'll be using the button, image, label and etc. So first user interface component is button. So button has the ability to detect clicks. Many aspects of its appearance can be changed as well as whether it is clickable or enabled. Its properties can be changed in designer or in the blocks. So our next one is the checkbox. So checkbox is a component. That raises an event when the user taps it. There are many properties affecting its appearance that can be set in the designer or blocks editor. And the next one is the date picker. So date picker is nothing but a button that when clicked on launches a pop-up dialog to allow the user to select a date on the Gregorian calendar. And the next one is the image. So image is nothing but where you can images is nothing but that's a component for displaying images and basic animation. And a picture to display and other aspects of the image appearance can be specified in the designer or in the blocks editor. And the next one is the label. So label is nothing but that's labels are components used to show text. A label displays text which is specified by the text property. Other properties, all of which can be set in the designer or blocks editor. And it's also controlled appearance and placement of the text. So it's just the text displayer. And the next one is the list picker. So list picker is nothing but a button that when clicked on displays the list of text for the user to choose among. So the text can be specified to the designer or the blocks editor. And the next one is the list view. So list view is nothing but that's the this is a visible component that displays a list of text and the image elements in your screen to display. And this is the notifier. So notifier is an unvisible component. So notifier component displays alert messages and creates Android lock entries through an assortment of methods. So that's just a notifier. In your phone, if you are doing something wrong, means there will be a message showing this will be taken to a virus problems like that. And the next one is the password text box. So password text box is nothing but user. A password text box is the same as the ordinary text box component where you will be seeing in Gmail accounts to log in your accounts, except that it does not display the characters typed by the users. So our next one is the slider. Slider component is a slider is a progress bar that adds a draggable thumb. You can touch the thumb and drag the left or right to set the slider thumb position. So in many games you have seen there will be a game like it will be loading 9900 like that. And the next one is the spinner. So spinner is nothing but that's a component that displays a dialog with list of elements. That's a list of elements. And this is the switch one. So switch on is nothing but it is a component that detect user taps and change the boolean state in response. They are identical to checkboxes except in appearance. So next one is the text box. So text box is nothing but where the user can type their name or anything else. And this is the time picker. So time picker is nothing but that's the So time picker is a button when clicked on opens a dialog to allow the user to select a particular time. And last thing is the web viewer. So web viewer is nothing but it is a component for viewing web pages. The home URL can be specified in the designer or in the box editor. The view can be set to following links when they are tagged. The users can fill in web forms. And thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Thank you.